I think it's wrapped under his wing.
Yeah, get the knife.
Okay.
Hey everybody, Captain Bud here. What kind of bait do you use for birds? Oh, worms. That's not a joke. It makes sense, right? Worms, bird. All right, here's your video.
We're out here at Jungle Hut Park. We're gonna try a little beach fishing here. Got some Walmart poles, 45 bucks for the whole thing. So that's pretty good. Some bait. Stopped at the local bait shop. Looks a little rainy today. The forecast says it's perfect fishing. Like right now, it's high tide turned into low tide, and I got a fishing app that says this is the time to do it. So we're gonna be out here fishing. I'm gonna see if we can catch some fish. We got shrimp, some artificial bait, some fish bits as they call them, and some of the stuff I brought from Illinois. So we'll see what catches what.
I don't think it's on.
I started.
Oh.
It's huge. First beach fish. Uh-oh. Mine's got crossed. And for our next trick, another whiting, or whatever they call it. Here, you do this and then get the bird.
I think it's wrapped under his wing.
Yeah, get the knife.
Okay. I brought the pliers. Oh, we got it. Do you want some fish? We have some fish you can eat. No, they have diseases.
All back in the water? Welcome.
Jesus, it's a mess behind me. Hey, do birds practice flying? Nah, they just wing it.
I don't know what this one is. We'll have to look it up. Some type of panfish.
I'm sure he's not big enough.
No.
Why?
Back for another try.
Is it the same fish?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Look at him. These circle hooks really work well.
them over there next time.
They like that,
Shrimp.
no, it's that worm stuff, because I lost my shrimp several throws ago.
Oh, so they just went with the orange.
Here, you take him on.
Mom, they make noises.
Oh, maybe they're not like, yeah, I hear you. I don't blame you.
Throw them over on that side of the beach.
Make a noise. Say hello.
Squeak, squeak.
Hello. Come on. Yum, 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 yum.
Throw him over there so he doesn't come back.
Well, we got some whiting or grunts or whatever they're called, usually used for bait fish. And we got that one little panfish. I'll have to look it up. I'm sure it's common species. It's kind of like a bluegill, but more on the line of maybe a crappie or something like that. I don't know. Whatever the ocean version of it. Got one of those. And of course we caught the bird. Darla caught a bird. You don't see that every day. That bird's fine, took off, went flying, came back around, looked at us, said, hey, thanks, see you later. So the troops are had enough of fishing. I noticed that on this pole right here, that one right there, I got a lightweight on it and shrimp, and it's practically like you just throw it out and you get a bite. So the whiting or the small for the ocean fish biting like crazy out here, and the little panfish was just maybe just an off chance. I happened to catch him reeling in. And on this Shakespeare pole I got here, that one not much on it at all. I had some bigger bait, and further out, about 50 yards out there, nothing. So, but otherwise, pretty exciting for first day of ever beach fishing. First time for me. I've been on a boat and been doing. What's that? This one? Okay. Yeah, so let me reel this one in. Maybe I can get tested. You want to hold this test for me? I reel it in. Yeah, I got something. Another one of those fish, no doubt. Little one. You gotta hold it like that, though. I gotta turn it around. Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. You don't set the hook. You just reel it in. It doesn't feel like it's on there. But that's pretty commonplace with these, whatever these smaller fish are. I don't think one's on though. It doesn't feel like it. Nah, I don't think so.
Got your bait though.
Yeah, took everything. So that's me paying more attention. Thank you. That's me paying more attention to camera than my pole. Just robbed me blind of my shrimp. And little shrimp, and well, I got them alive, but they end up dying. I don't have an aerator or air pump in there. I need to get one of those. And fish bits. Those little fish bits. The fish bits like shrimp. Fish bits like the sea crabs. Sea crabs, yeah. Those little critters. That also helps hold the shrimp on, and also gives it a little extra oomph later. So that's it from here, and it was a pretty good day of fishing.